Unpredicted but great how to use Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub is among the most underrated and versatile cure-alls that you simply most likely have inside your medicine cabinet rather than understood. We're not only speaking about VapoRub's ability that will help you clear up congestion or get rid of headaches. Everyone knows Vicks VapoRub can perform that. Relieves headaches. Menthol, among the primary ingredients of Vicks VapoRub, helps lower bloodstream pressure inside your head and, consequently, relieves pain. Just rub just a little in your forehead. Reduces stretch marks. Rub some Vicks VapoRub stretch marks, as well as in just 2 days you will find that they progressively dwindle visible. Treats nail fungus. Should you suffer nail fungus, put some Vicks towards the affected nail every evening after place your socks on. The following day, wash your feet and clip off just as much infected nail as you possibly can. Repeat every evening until your nails recover completely.